Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint 2024. So firstly, open Adobe Acrobat. Now choose the file you want to make PowerPoint. I want to make this file PowerPoint. Double click and I'm just zooming out. All right, now click on Tools, which is top left corner, this one, and then you have to click on Export PDF. Click on Open. Now you have to choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on click on this Microsoft PowerPoint and then click on export, the blue option. Now you have to choose the destination where you want to save this file and now click on save. And it will take some time to export, so you have to hold on. It may take some minutes to export it fully, so you have to hold on with patience, please. Okay, you can see that it has been already done and it is coming with PowerPoint. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.